Everyone takes multivitamins hoping to live longer, but a massive 20-year study just shattered that belief. Are you wasting your daily pill? Over 2 decades, researchers tracked thousands of adults who took daily multivitamins. The surprising conclusion: there was no significant difference in lifespan compared to those who didn't take supplements. Despite billions spent by companies like Pfizer and Bayer on multivitamin sales, the data shows that popping these pills does not add years to your life. This wasn't a small trial. The participants represented a broad demographic range, including various ages, genders, and health backgrounds. The goal was to see if multivitamins could help the average person live longer or healthier. But the long-term data clearly showed no lifespan benefit, challenging the common assumption that these supplements are a fountain of youth. Experts suggest that while vitamins can fill nutritional gaps, they can't fix poor diets, lack of exercise, or other health risks. The study points out that relying on pills instead of a balanced lifestyle won't extend your life. Multivitamins are not a substitute for healthy habits like eating vegetables, exercising, and avoiding smoking. It's important to note the research looked specifically at lifespan extension. Multivitamins might still offer benefits like improved energy or reduced risk of certain nutrient deficiencies. But when it comes to living longer, this 20-year evidence is clear: the pills alone don't add years to your life. Given the evidence, you should rethink your health routine. Investing time and money in balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and preventive health care will have a bigger impact on your lifespan than any multivitamin bottle. Save your money and focus on habits that science truly supports. So what does this mean for you? If you're taking multivitamins hoping to live longer, this 20-year study says it's time to pause. Real longevity comes from lifestyle, not pills. For daily updates on health breakthroughs and what they mean for your life, subscribe and stay informed.